Hi again everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve another activity from CodeSignal entitled Almost Increasing Sequence. For this activity, we are tasked to determine if a certain array is in an increasing sequence. So there's an example here. If we are given an array of 1, 3, 2, and 1, the answer should be false. Because if we remove 3, then the array will be 1, 2, 1, and that's not an increasing sequence. And if we remove 2, the array will be 1, 3, 1, and that's also not an increasing sequence. If we remove the last number 1, the array will be 1, 3, and 2. Then that's also not a increasing sequence. And there's another example here, 1, 3, and 2. If we remove 3, then our array will be 1 and 2. That's an increasing sequence. And if we remove 2, 1, 3, that's also a increasing sequence. Alright, so let's start by adding a variable decreasing counter and initialize it as 0. And then we are going to use for loop. Alright, so we have our I for index, and then we initialize it 1 because we want to start here, and then for our condition we have to say we will continue looping while I is less than the length of the given array minus 1, because we want to end the loop right before the last value. And then we say I++ for iteration. Then we are now going to for a conditional statement if previous number is greater than or equal to current number, or current number is greater than or equal to the next number, then decreasing counter add 1, and if the decreasing counter is greater than 1, then we should return false. Then return true if all the tests has been executed and we did not encounter any decreasing. We return true. We hit run test, we get some issues. Right, so for this one, I think we should separate this to conditions, then hit run test again, and then we get 31 over 38. So for this, we should also test for the number before the previous number. So we say if this is less than from our current number, then decrease is our decreasing, or previous number is less than our next number, then we decrease our counter. We hit run test, get some problems. Alright, so if we say if is set sequence I minus 2, then, and we did it. Hit for submit, and we got it correct again.